Hello dear subscribers. We are very excited to share this new video on the channel. We hope that we can provide help to continue counting on your likes. And to all those who are not in the channel, do not forget to subscribe as soon as possible, since we are always sending information of great importance. Let's start with this valuable information for you. Naturally sweet green detox juice. Preparation in 10 minutes. In this green juice, spinach tastes mild and the parsley tastes fresh. Lemon and ginger add zing, and the cucumber adds mineral-rich water. Apples are naturally sweet, so we don't add any additional sugar or fruit, with the exception of a lemon. If you find the juice to be too tart, consider pushing a couple of carrots or an extra apple through the juicer. If you're sensitive to ginger's warming, spicy quality, add a smaller amount at first and go from there. These portions make approximately 2 servings. You will need 2 cups packed baby spinach leaves, handful parsley leaves and stems, 1 medium green apple, rinsed with core removed, 1 large seedless, hothouse or English cucumber, rinsed, 1 inch length piece fresh ginger scrubbed clean, 1 medium lemon. Directions: prepare the vegetables. Chop the apple, cucumber, and ginger into thin pieces small enough to easily go through the juicer. Cut away the yellow peel from the lemon, leaving most of the white pith and lemon flesh. Cut into slices and remove any seeds. Make juice. Reserve about half of the lemon. Turn the juicer on and push everything through, alternating between the greens and the firmer cucumber, apple and lemon. When everything but the reserved lemon has been juiced, stir the juice and taste for tartness. Add the remaining lemon if you feel it can take it. Or if the juice is too tart, consider adding a couple scrubbed unpeeled carrots or another cored apple. Excellent friends! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment if you liked the video. We will continue to improve for you. See you again.